Breakwaters are widely used structures to control coastal erosion and to ensure safe access to harbors. They are barriers that are frequently displaced perpendicularly to the dominant wave direction, which absorb, refract, diffract and reflect part of the wave energy. Therefore reducing the part amount of energy that reaches the shoreline. Breakwaters are used to provide protection against waves, to reduce the amount of dredging in front of an harbor entrance, at locations where little or no natural protection exists. Breakwaters often serve as key facilities as well, to guide the currents in the channel or along the coast. There are three types of breakwater: rubble mound, vertical wall and floating. This breakwater is being constructed on the coast as part of Haifa Terminal Port. It's designed to protect the harbor from 12-meter height waves that may appear once in 50 years. A breakwater structure is designed to absorb the energy of the wave that hit it, either by using mass caisson structure or by using a revetment slope. This breakwater has a revetment rubble mound slope with different types of rock and concrete armored units. Rubble mound breakwaters use structural voids to dissipate the wave energy. Big rocks and concrete armored units on the outside of the structure absorb most of the energy, while smaller rocks prevent the wave energy from continuing through the breakwater core. The slope of revetment are typical with ratio of 1:2 as waves height get larger. Rubble mound breakwater require larger armored units to resist the wave forces. These armored units can be formed of concrete or natural rock. The largest grading that is used here for rock armored units is 3 to 6 tons, as for the concrete armored units they use Antifa that weigh 30 tons. The general rules for Antifa placing is that the unit should be placed according to the predefined grid. Vertical grooves should be perpendicular to the sloped or burdened surface. The units shall be placed in semi-random orientation and should be sitting on a stable with at least 3 corners in contact with adjacent and different cubes. The units shall be also checked as a group and appear to be rough on the surface. The contractor is trying to keep a surface rough enough which will provide satisfying wave energy absorption. As you can see, construction now is the last phase. The bigger part of the breakwater has already been built. The part we don't see is 17 meters below the water. What is left is to build the upper structure according to the design height, to install a new light tower and to wait for the big storm.